Hey there, Soumya here from ModeMagic. Let me quickly help you set up the Update Products with Tag Automation. This option enables you to apply a badge to all the products that are included under a certain tag. To enable auto application of badges to all the products tied to a particular tag, please do the following. Click on Automate on the top of your screen, followed by Automation on the left side of the screen. Now scroll down to the automation that reads Update Products with Tag. Type in the tag name under the Add Tag field. So when I've added the tag gloves, all of the products with this tag can be seen on the right side of the screen. You can also click on Change Badge on the left side of your screen and update the badge of your choice. Once you're done with this, go ahead and click on the Activate Badge on Gloves tag on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now we can see that the store is getting updated with the automation. So our automation is live now. Let's go ahead and check it out on our store. Let's scroll down to find the gloves, and here we are. These are some of the gloves, and now they have the product batches that we had added in the automation. I hope this video helps.